Another female named as a person of interest in relation to guns seized in Montego Bay, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news items. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, has listed a man and a woman as a person of interest in an ongoing investigation of the siege of several firearms at two warehouses in St. James. They are Cleon Clark of West Village and Carissa Clark of Paradise Norwood, both in St. James. The report came days after authorities sent out a similar call for another female who was identified as a person of interest in a separate case where 21 guns were found at a warehouse in Kingston. The police said that the female later reported to them and was questioned and released. Detectives believe that Cleon may be of assistance to the investigation into the seizure of several firearms, 16 9mm cartridges and 8 magazines that were found at a warehouse on February 28. In the meantime, detectives believe that Carissa may be of assistance to the ongoing investigation into the seizure of 5 firearms and more than 100 assorted rounds of ammunition at a warehouse on Sunday, January 20. Carissa Clark and Cleon Clark were being asked to report to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch before 12 on Wednesday, March 9, 2020. Up to date, the police have not provided a report whether or not they turned themselves in. In the meantime, anyone knowing the whereabouts of these individuals are being asked to contact CTOC at 876-967-1389, Crime Stop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this plus more stories. Thanks for watching.